Have you ever felt unexplained fatigue, persistent body aches, digestive issues, or even symptoms of autoimmune diseases that seem impossible to cure? Many people suffer from these signs without realizing that a silent villain is at work inside their bodies: chronic inflammation. This invisible inflammation is the root cause of nearly every modern disease, from thyroid disorders to joint pain, stomach problems, constant tiredness, and more. The worst part? Many treatments only mask the symptoms without addressing the real cause. But what if I told you there is a simple, natural, and scientifically backed way to fight inflammation at its source? A method that can restore your health, energy, and well-being permanently. Today, I'm going to share with you the recipe for a powerful drink made from natural ingredients you can easily find. When consumed daily, this drink can dramatically reduce inflammation throughout your body. Why inflammation is your real enemy. Before we dive into the recipe, it's important to understand why inflammation is such a serious threat. Inflammation itself isn't always bad. It's the body's natural defense mechanism against injury or infection. But when it becomes chronic, when your immune system keeps firing for no good reason, it starts attacking healthy tissues. That's when problems begin. Autoimmune diseases, weight gain, fatigue, depression, digestive issues, and even heart disease and cancer. Chronic inflammation is often silent, meaning you may not even realize it is there until it is already wreaking havoc on your body. Most conventional treatments focus on controlling symptoms. They give you pills for pain, medication for digestion, or creams for your skin, but the real cause, the inflammation, remains untouched. That's why this drink is so powerful. It targets inflammation directly and naturally. But that's just the beginning. In fact, today I'm going to reveal 7 powerful anti-inflammatory drink recipes made with natural, science-backed ingredients that you likely already have at home. Each of these ingredients has been carefully crafted to help relieve pain, boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, and reduce inflammation from the inside out. If you're tired of relying on pills or temporary fixes, these natural solutions could be exactly what your body has been craving. The 7 anti-inflammatory superstars in this drink. Let's break down each ingredient, one by one, so you know exactly how each component works to heal your body from the inside out. Number 7, cinnamon, the metabolic booster. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. 2 key compounds in cinnamon, cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, help reduce the production of inflammatory markers in your body. Studies have shown that cinnamon can also lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance blood flow. All of these effects are linked to a lower inflammatory response. Choose Ceylon cinnamon if possible. It has the highest antioxidant content and the lowest level of coumarin, a compound that can be toxic in large doses. Extra benefit. Cinnamon has also been linked to better brain function and memory, making it great for cognitive support. Number 6, cardamom, the gut healer. Cardamom is one of the most underrated anti-inflammatory spices. It contains powerful flavonoids like alpha-terpineol, limonene, and cineol that actively reduce inflammation. What makes cardamom particularly special is its ability to soothe the gut. It improves digestion, reduces bloating, and strengthens your gut lining, an essential part of controlling inflammation throughout the body. Extra benefit. Cardamom also helps with detoxification by enhancing liver function and eliminating toxins that fuel inflammation. Number 5, turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory king. Turmeric is well known in Ayurvedic medicine, and for good reason. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds known to science. Curcumin has been compared to drugs like ibuprofen in research and has shown similar effectiveness without the side effects. It blocks NF-κB, a molecule that travels into the cells and turns on genes related to inflammation. Extra benefit. Curcumin also boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes, providing double protection against free radicals. Number 4, black pepper, the absorption enhancer. Black pepper might seem like a minor addition, but it plays a major role. It contains a compound called piperine, which boosts the absorption of curcumin in turmeric by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, most of the turmeric you consume would pass through your digestive system without being absorbed. Extra benefit. Piperine also improves digestion and has its own mild anti-inflammatory effects. Number 3, ginger, the natural pain reliever. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and pyridols. These compounds not only reduce inflammation, but also relieve pain, ease nausea, and support your immune system. Ginger has been shown to be as effective as over-the-counter pain relievers in some studies. It works by inhibiting pro-inflammatory enzymes and improving blood circulation. Extra benefit. Ginger helps balance your gut bacteria, a key factor in regulating chronic inflammation. Number 2, lemon, the vitamin C powerhouse. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for immune health and inflammation control. Vitamin C helps repair tissues, reduces oxidative stress, and supports collagen production in your joints and skin. When combined with other anti-inflammatory ingredients, vitamin C enhances their effectiveness, making this drink even more powerful. Extra benefit, lemon also helps alkalize your body, promoting a healthier pH balance and better digestion. Number 1, green tea, the antioxidant foundation. Green tea is used as the base of this drink for a reason. It contains a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin galate, which is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. EGCG has been shown to reduce inflammation in joints, skin, and even the brain. It also helps boost metabolism and improve fat burning. Loose-leaf green tea is preferred over tea bags, as it contains higher levels of beneficial compounds. But if you only have tea bags, those will still work well. Extra benefit. Green tea also reduces anxiety and improves mental clarity, which can be affected by chronic inflammation. How to make these powerful anti-inflammatory drinks. Now that you know the science behind each ingredient, let's talk about how to make the drinks. Grab a pen and paper and write down the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of filtered water, 1 TSP loose-leaf green tea, or 1 green tea bag, 1/4 TSP ground, Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 TSP ground cardamom, 1/2 TSP turmeric powder, 4/5 whole black peppercorns, 1 TSP grated fresh ginger, or 1/2 TSP ground ginger, juice of 1/2 lemon. Optional, 1 TSP raw honey for taste. Instructions. 1. Bring the 2 cups of water to a gentle boil. 2. Turn off the heat and immediately add the green tea. 3. Let it steep for 3 minutes, then add cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. 4. Stir well, cover, and let the mixture sit for 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Strain the drink into a cup. 6. Add lemon juice and optional honey. 7. Sip slowly and mindfully over 10-15 minutes. When to drink it? The best time to enjoy this drink is in the morning, on an empty stomach, or mid-morning between meals. This allows your body to absorb all the anti-inflammatory compounds efficiently. Drinking it daily can start reducing your inflammation levels in as little as 1 week. Many people report more energy, better digestion, and even clearer skin after just a few days. Why this drink is better than store-bought solutions. Let's face it, the health drink market is saturated with powders, shots, and supplements that claim to reduce inflammation. But many of these are full of added sugars, preservatives, or synthetic ingredients. This homemade drink is natural, affordable, and free from any chemicals or artificial flavors. Plus, you control the quality and freshness of every ingredient. No fancy packaging, just real potent healing in a cup. Start healing from within. You don't have to live with constant fatigue, pain, or digestive problems. You don't need to rely on endless pills that only cover up symptoms. Your body is capable of healing itself, if you give it the right tools. This drink is one of those tools. So start today. Brew this simple recipe, sip it slowly, and watch how your body transforms. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a natural remedy that could change your life. And please, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this drink works for you. See you in the next video. Bye.